In this tutorial, I will guide you how to delete your project on the Google Cloud Console. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now once you open the console.cloud.google, it will come to this screen here. Now make sure to select here, select a project, and then you'll see all the list of the project that you have. Let's say you want to delete this project here. Now click this folder here which says Manage Resources page. So click this. Now it will come to the Manage Resources. Now choose the project that you want to delete. Let's say you want to delete this project here. Make sure to check it. Then also check this project. You can just select these three dots here. Then you'll see an option delete. So click delete. And then it will ask you when you shut down a project, it will show you all the informations here. Now to shut down a project, make sure to type the project ID, which is this one inside the box here. So you'll have to copy this information. You may need to read these informations if you need to, but for me, I just want to delete it. So I'll just paste by Ctrl+V. Then click shut down anyway. And then it says here, project is pending deletion. Project, this one, which the name is now shut down and is scheduled to be deleted after this, which is June 13, 2026. So that's how you can delete a project in the console.cloud.google. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.